RIGOL MHO900 Honest Review. Proof that portable oscilloscopes can be truly powerful. The RIGOL MHO900 digital oscilloscope, 350 to 800 MHz, 4 gigasamples per second, 12-bit, 4 plus 16 channels, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, free AFG 50, ultra portable, is exactly what it sounds like, and then some. At its core, it is a high-resolution bench instrument that captures electrical signals with extraordinary clarity. Think of it as a window into your circuit. Instead of guessing why a component behaves unexpectedly, you watch the signal in real time on a crisp 7-inch touchscreen. It handles embedded debugging, power supply analysis, and logic signal monitoring, all from one compact device. And here is the emotional part. That nagging uncertainty when a project misbehaves and you cannot pinpoint why, this scope removes it. Precise, portable, fully connected. Imagine never having to second-guess your signal readings again. Here are the wins that matter most in daily engineering work. First, the true 12-bit ADC delivers 4,096 vertical quantization levels, which is 16 times the resolution of a standard 8-bit scope. Subtle power rail ripple and low amplitude anomalies that normally hide in noise become fully visible. Second, with 100 megapoints of standard memory, expandable to 500 megapoints, you capture long signal sequences without losing edge detail. Third, the 4 analog channels plus 16 digital channels transform this into a full mixed signal oscilloscope right out of the box. Here is where it gets interesting. The built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity mean you can monitor signals remotely from a tablet or laptop, which changes how fieldwork actually feels. Fifth, the optional dual-channel 100 MHz waveform generator adds active circuit stimulation without a second instrument. 5 capabilities, 1 compact device. Have you ever had a bench tool that replaced 3 at once? Picture a firmware engineer laid into a project chasing an intermittent SPI communication fault. On a standard 8-bit scope, the signal looked clean. Textbook edges, no obvious problem. But the microcontroller kept dropping packets randomly. Frustrating and invisible. When the same signal was captured on the MHO900 using its deep 100 megapoints memory and 12-bit resolution, faint voltage distortions appeared between transitions, tiny but real, the kind of detail that lives below the noise floor of conventional scopes. That was the turning point. Initially, there was hesitation about switching tools mid-project, a completely understandable reaction. But within 1 capture session, the fault was isolated and corrected. Another user reported a similar shift during power supply loop stability testing, using the built-in AWG alongside the scope to run bode plots without any additional equipment. The before and after difference felt immediate, grounded, and quietly satisfying.
After testing a few options, one thing became clear. Don't just pick any digital oscilloscope. Make sure it has a true 12-bit ADC and deep memory, so you never waste your time chasing signal details that cheaper 8-bit scopes simply cannot display again. The MHO900 stands apart with hardware specifications that an EEV blog technical analyst described as standing pretty much alone in this price range, referencing its combination of up to 1 gigahertz bandwidth on the MHO98 variant, 500 megapoints memory, and integrated AWG as unique at this tier. Electronics World called it an all-in-one time domain workstation, specifically praising its bode plot capability for power supply loop stability analysis. A verified user noted it remains an excellent bargain with 2 function generators, solid bandwidth, and a digital probe, even accounting for its learning curve. The 3-year warranty and local after-sales support from RIGOL add a rational layer of confidence. Which matters most to you right now? Comment 1 for resolution, 2 for memory depth, or 3 for portability.
The RIGOL MHO900 digital oscilloscope, 350 to 800 MHz, 4 gigasamples per second, 12-bit, 4 plus 16 channels, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, free AFG 50,
Ultra portable replaces guesswork with clarity and multiple instruments with one. Thousands of engineers and educators already rely on it daily for exactly that reason. It only takes a few seconds to see if it fits your setup. My link is in the description and pinned in the comments. Just click and explore. You deserve tools that actually keep up with you.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.